You can quickly call emergency services like 911 and notify your emergency contacts using a shortcut on your iPhone. Hopefully you will never need this feature, but it's wise to set it up now. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Emergency SOS. You might have to swipe to see it. There are 2 ways to use this feature. Without enabling autocall, when your iPhone is locked or open, you may press the sleep-wake button 5 times in succession, and then swipe across SOS Emergency for emergency services to be called. I'll tap Cancel. After Emergency SOS has been used, you will find your Touch ID has been temporarily disabled for added security, and you will have to enter your password to unlock your iPhone the first time after SOS was utilized. Now please don't try this, just let me show you. If you enable autocall, then when you press the sleep-wake button 5 times in succession, the iPhone will play a loud sound counting down to its automatically calling emergency services. You may tap the X and then confirm to stop the call if you activated it by mistake. It counts down for only about 3 seconds, alerting you that the emergency call is about to be placed. This sound will play even when your iPhone is in silent mode or do not disturb. When autocall is enabled, then the option to disable the countdown sound is available. So you need to decide if you wish to swipe to call or have your iPhone automatically call. I'm a bit clumsy with my phone. As well, my children do handle my iPhone, so I'm going to turn autocall off. After the emergency call ends, messages will be sent to your emergency contacts, letting them know your location and that emergency services were contacted. These contacts will be updated via messages as your location changes for a short period of time. You will receive notifications when this occurs. Location services do not need to be enabled for this to occur. If you wish to stop these updates being sent to your emergency contacts, then tap the status bar and select Stop Sharing. Tap to set up emergency contacts in the Health app. Now you may only have to tap Create Medical ID, or if on the Medical ID screen, tap Edit. Or in the Health app, tap Next. Tap Continue and then Create Medical ID. Swipe up a bit. Then tap Add Emergency Contact. Now select a contact you wish to use as an emergency contact. Select their relationship. Your contact is displayed. You may add more or delete the ones you have. Now tap on Next, or you might just tap Done. Then tap on Done. When finished, tap the backlink to return to Settings. Your emergency contacts are listed. Return to the Health app to edit your emergency contacts by tapping. When finished, tap or swipe back. Tap the Home button to return to the home screen. I'm going to double tap the Home button to bring up the multitasking screen. Then swipe up to close the apps we were using. Depending on your location, the SOS Emergency Feature may not work. Additionally, it's not available in all countries at this time. iPhone 8 and newer models, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons to activate. Please only use this feature in the event of a real emergency. SOS is an important feature. Be sure to set it up now.
Empowering mobility.